Hi, you all. Welcome back. This is Naaz Arora. This is a gorgeous makeup look that I created using these luxury products. We begin with the Smashbox concealer. So I've already prepped my face, just applying it on the required areas and using my fingers to blend out all of it. Using my Dior eyeshadow palette in the shade 439 Copper, I'm patting the matte brown color all over my lid and under my eyes. Also, I love how there are no harsh lines blending it across and it gives that smooth finish. I absolutely love it. Now I'm adding that little pop of color with the shimmery copper shade. This adds that perfect light glow to the inner corner and the inner eye area and it makes your eyes pop out. Looks really nice. Using this black kohl from Marc Jacobs to add little depth to my eyes. Using the Givenchy Volume Disturbia mascara, it's beautiful, it's stunning. You can literally see the lift in my lashes, and it's one of my go to mascaras at the moment. I absolutely love it. Do you see that lift in my eyes? This Water Fresh blush from Chanel has been my go to product since almost a year. I'm already done with half of the bottle and it blends into my skin like butter. It's my favorite product in my vanity. Using the Bobbi Brown Luxe Defining Lipstick in the shade Avant Gardenia. It's a movie nude, looks great on medium Indian skin. I use it for both to define and fill my lips. Winding up with the Huda lip gloss in the shade Classy, and that's my final look. I'm now going to set it with the MAC setting spray, and this is the final look. It's gorge.